One of the most iconic symbols of faith, the Tirupati Balaji Laddu, has become the center of a controversy that has sent shockwaves through millions of devotees. But what led to this uproar? Let's dive into the scandal that's shaken one of India's most sacred offerings. The Tirupati Laddu isn't just any offering. It's the prasad from one of the holiest temples in India, the Tirumala Venkateswara Temple. It's believed to bring blessings from Lord Venkateswara himself. And every year, millions of devotees take these laddus back to their homes, sharing the sanctity and blessings with their families. In September 2024, a bombshell report dropped. The Telugu Desam Party, TDP, accused the previous government, led by the YSR Congress Party, of using animal fats in the ghee used to make the laddus. According to the allegations, the sacred Prasadam was tainted with substances like lard, pig fat, beef tallow, and fish oil. The TDP backed their claims with a shocking lab report from a Gujarat-based laboratory. The findings confirmed the use of adulterated ghee in the laddu preparation, revealing that the ghee contained beef tallow, lard, and even fish oil. The ghee samples were highly adulterated. We've blacklisted the suppliers and are taking corrective measures to ensure the quality of the sacred prasadam. Devotees across the country were outraged. The thought that a prasadam, sacred to millions, could be adulterated with animal fats struck a deep nerve. Politicians quickly took sides, with TDP demanding strict action against those responsible, while the YSR Congress Party denied any wrongdoing. These are baseless allegations made to tarnish the reputation of our government. After the lab results, the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's TTD has taken swift action. They've blacklisted the supplier responsible for the adulterated ghee and are now introducing stricter quality control measures, including in-house testing labs to ensure that such an incident never happens again. Despite the controversy, the TTD has assured devotees that they are doing everything in their power to restore the sanctity of the laddus. Going forward, the sacred prasadam will be made with pure cow ghee, bringing back the trust and faith that devotees have always had in Lord Venkateswara's blessings. This controversy serves as a reminder of the importance of faith, trust, and responsibility. The Tirupati Balaji Laddu has always been more than just a sweet. It's a symbol of devotion. And while this scandal may have shaken that trust, steps are being taken to ensure that the sanctity of the prasad remains intact.